Well, hi, everybody. What are you doing?
We don't know. We can't decide. Do you know any games we can play?
Well, let's see. Oh, there's leapfrog. Oh, and jump rope. That's always fun.
Oh, look.
Oh, tiddlywinks. Or duck, duck, goose. And tag. Hey, where did everybody go?
Oh, cool dog. Can we pet her?
Sure. Hi, Barney.
Oh, well, hi, Susan.
Oh, hi, guys.
Hi,
Baby
Baby
Buff.
Buff.
Oh, is this your dog?
Yep. Her name's Pilgrim.
Oh, hi, pretty Pilgrim. Man, she's awesome. Wish I had a dog like this.
Well, would you like to watch her while I mail these letters?
Would I? That'd be great.
Well, thanks. I'll be right back.
No hurry. Take your time.
Bye, Susan.
Hey, Pilgrim, how are you, girl? Oh, she sure is a great dog, isn't she, Barney?
Oh, she sure is. And if she could talk, she'd probably say the same about you. Our animal friends have special voices, just like you and me. If our animal friends could talk and sing, what fun the world would be.
What fun the world would be.
If a big brown dog could sing a song, what song would he sing?
If a big brown dog could sing a song, he'd sing woof, woof, woof. He'd bark until he raised the roof with a woof, 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 woof.
Good dog.
Good dog. If a little dog could laugh out loud, just how would she laugh? If a little dog could laugh out loud, she'd laugh yip, yip, yip. She'd run and skip and bark, yip, 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 yip. Our animal friends have special voices, just like you and me. If our animal friends could talk and sing, what fun the world would be! What fun the world would be! Hey, dog.
I'm back. How was Pilgrim?
Oh, she was terrific.
Oh, good. Well, we have to run some errands. See you later.
Bye, Pilgrim.
Bye, Pilgrim.
Oh, I've got an idea. What if we bring our own dogs to the park and we can have a pet show?
Oh,
yeah, awesome.
We can have a super Dee-Duper dog show.
Oh. And we could have a doggy parade.
We can dress them up for a costume contest. Then we can pick the best one of all.
Well, that might be hard to do. I'm sure they're all winners.
We'll let you decide. You can be the judge.
Okay, that'll be terrific. Oh, and I'll give out the prize.
Oh, goody.
Come on, let's go get our dogs. Come on, guys, let's go.
It's gonna be a prize. Well, Sissy, looks like we're the only ones without a pet. What are we gonna do? I have a doggy. You do? Uh-huh. And wait till you see him. He's so cute. I'll be right back. Don't go away.
Okay.
Oh, Barney, guess I'm the only one without a dog. And I'd sure like to have one.
I know it can be hard when you really want something, BJ.
Yeah, I'll say. Boy, I wish I had a dog. I keep wishing that my wishes would happen right away. But every time I make a wish, it seems I have to wait.
Sometimes things don't happen exactly as we want.
Seems I'm wasting time just waiting here to see how it turns out. I keep wishing that my wishes would happen right away. But every time I make a wish, it seems I have to wait.
Well, I know, BJ.
Why can't things happen? Why can't they just appear?
It's hard to wait, anticipating that it might take years.
I keep wishing that my wishes would happen right away. But every time I make a wish, it seems I have to wait. Wishing that my wishes would happen right away. But every time I make a wish, it seems I have to wait.
Oh, it'll be okay. Okay, we're all set. Welcome, everyone, to our dog show. Now, let's see the dogs.
This is my dog, Chula.
Well, hi, Chula.
And this is Flash.
Flash.
And this is my dog, Coco. And this is good old Lucky.
Getting lucky.
And here's my dog, Fluffy.
Well, that's an unusual dog.
Yes, because it's invisible. That means you can't see it because it's pretend.
What?
Ooh.
Well, as official dog show judge, I think it's time to see the tricks the dogs can do.
Oh, wait.
You don't have to be a cute ball of fuzz to do all the tricks my doggy does. Let's all bark ruff ruff because it's fun to do the tricks my little dog does.
Oh, wait. Oh, good, Fluffy and Wee.
You don't have to be a cute ball of fuzz to do all the tricks my doggy does. Let's all bark ruff ruff because it's fun to do the tricks my little dog does.
Oh, yeah.
Good little doggy. You don't have to be a cute ball of fuzz to do all the tricks my doggy does. Let's all bark ruff ruff because it's fun to do the tricks my little dog does. Let's all bark ruff ruff because it's fun to do the tricks my little dog does. You did it. Well, that was terrific.
Now let's get ready for the costume contest.
Okay, good luck.
Oh, man. I wish I had a dog.
What's going on, Barney?
Oh, we're having a dog show.
Oh, what fun.
Uh,
But you know, I saw BJ over there and he was looking a little sad.
I'm afraid he is. He wishes he was part of the show, but he doesn't have a dog of his own.
Oh. Well, maybe I can help. Hi, BJ.
Hi, Susan. Hi, Pilgrim.
You know, I was wondering if you would like to enter Pilgrim in the show for me.
Really? You mean it?
Sure.
Oh, thanks. I'll take real good care of her.
Oh, I know you will. Oh, I almost forgot. Gotta dress her up a little. There you go, Pilgrim.
Oh, good Pilgrim. Good.
Well, come on, everyone, find a seat. Okay, now it's time for the costume contest. First, we have Rachel and Chula in basketball jerseys. And Olivia and Flash are dressed like ladybugs. Ava and Coco are pretty ballerinas. Ryan and Lucky look like they're going fishing. Oh, and here's Baby Bop and her invisible dog with matching bows. And last but not least, BJ and Pilgrim with matching caps. Now it's time for the last part of our show, the big parade of dogs. Oh boy, oh boy. The parade goes marching by. Every dog is going to try to be the best one in the show.
They're keeping up the pace with a very happy face as they march, march, march to and fro. Every dog is just so smart, and they all have done their part. Every one of them is special, yes indeed.
Whoa.
We're having lots of fun, yes, we'll march until we're done. We just can't wait to see who the best in show will be.
Yes, it's just so hard to know who will be the best in show. They all seem like they're winners, yes indeed.
We're having lots of fun, now the parade is almost done. We just can't wait to see who the best in show will be. Okay, Barney, who wins the very best dog of all. Yeah.
Well, let me add up the scores here and average out the average and... Well, now how about that?
What is it, Barney?
Well, it looks like all the dogs are winners. And that means first place for everyone.
All right! Thanks, Barney!
Pilgrim had a lot of fun, BJ.
Oh, she's a really great dog.
She is, and she sure likes you. Maybe I can bring her to the park sometime and you can play with her. How'd that be?
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
Thanks for taking such good care of her.
Oh, no problem.
No. Well, thank you all for sharing your dogs with us. Our pets are our friends, and a friend is a very special thing indeed. I'm so happy you're the one that's here today, having fun. Wherever we go, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Everything's better with a friend. Everything's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you. Playing, pretending, whatever we do, it's better with a friend like you.
Bye-bye.